Hi guys, so your generator's running but you've got no electricity coming in. Frustrating, I know, but there's two common reasons why this happens and I'm going to talk you through them right now. Well, you can hear the sweet sound of that one-cylinder generator banging away underneath the RV, but there's still got no power. Now we find two reasons why this doesn't happen. Firstly, the generator itself has a breaker on it and that could have tripped. And secondly, the main 110 power cord on a lot of these modern RVs needs to be plugged back into the RV to complete the circuit. So let's go and check those out right now. Okay, possibly the most common problem we find is round here at the back in the electric box. Let's have a little look. Just open it up and we'll see the problem straight away. It's not been plugged back in to the RV. So this needs to be plugged in all the time just to complete the circuit. The second most common problem we find is right here in the generator itself. Just next to the start switch, you can see there is a breaker. It flicks off, flicks back on again. Well, like always, I hope this was helpful. If so, give us a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more RV know-how.